I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. Today I'm going to teach you to make dried beef and green olive dip. Let's get started. First we have 5 tablespoons of dried beef already chopped. And then we're going to add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese already softened. I have a half a pint of yogurt, plain, unflavored yogurt. And then we're going to do 1 clove of garlic. Okay. I have 2 onions, 2 green onions, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, fresh parsley. I have 8 green olives chopped. And these have the pimentos in there. And then you just mix it all together and you chill it. And it's really good in parties. So there you go. That's how you make dried beef and green olive dip.